Welcome. If you want to get lightning edges on your UMIDIGI F1, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type lightning. Let's pick lightning and then type edges. And we are going to get this application from Sunny Lightning. So let's click install. Right now, let's open. And when we are here, we can choose one of these default themes, but we can also change it a little bit. So I think that I'm going to use maybe this one. Let's name our theme. Click OK. Let's mute this ad, and then we can turn it off by tapping on the X in the right upper corner. And we can here change the colors of this theme. And so I think that I'm going to add maybe pink. And I would like to change border styles to line and take liner run style. We can scroll down and we can change animation speed. We can slow it down, but we can also speed it up. We can change the border size to make it a little bit, thin. We can change the radius on the top and the bottom, and of course we are able to adjust this edges to our notch or any other thing that is in your camera. So let's change the radius top, radius height, and let's go for the white. Let's go like that, then change the top. Let's make it a little bit wider. Okay, click create. If you finish, then we have to move right here and click to enable overlay other app. Click yes, tap on the switcher, then just go back, click it another time. And as you can see, when we go back, right now we can enjoy these beautiful edges on our UMIDIGI F1. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!